Hello viewers, welcome to our channel You, Me and God. I am Shanmugasundaram, a spiritual psychologist. Today I would like to talk to you about the power of the unconscious mind. The concept of unconscious mind was first discovered and exposed to the world by Dr. Sigmund Freud and his disciple Carl Jung propounded the theory of collective unconscious. That is, the unconscious mind of all the people were connected together. Now, Freud's unconscious mind, the concept has been accepted world over, and that is the basis for modern day psychoanalysis. But Carl Jung's theory of collective unconscious has not been accepted as universally as the concept of unconscious mind. That the unconscious mind is very powerful and controls our life without our knowledge is accepted by the world over by the psychologists. Now I would like to talk about the power of the unconscious mind by giving you 3 examples from our present day life. Of course, all the people who are interested in cricket will be able to understand my concept better. I am going to talk about the 3 cricketers, Ravichandran Ashwin, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat Kohli. A few years ago, Ravichandran Ashwin came into the cricket scene, and soon he became the number 1 bowler in the world and became the number 1 all-rounder too. At that time, there was an advertisement for a biscuit company by Ravi Ashwin. It was only a poster and flyers and in the papers, but everywhere you go you can see that posters in Chennai, any shop, anywhere, the posters are very prominent. And what is the caption of that poster? Smash. Tamil chonna adichu norukunga. When a bowler says smash, what happens? He is smashed all over the ground. That is what happened to Ravichandran Ashwin. Soon after the advertisement became popular for that biscuit company, Ravichandran Ashwin was dropped from the Indian side when playing abroad. So that was the power of the unconscious mind. It is a collective unconscious which was working against him. Because when you look at Ravichandran Ashwin, you will remember that advertisement, smash. So he was smashed and he soon lost his position as the number 1 all-rounder. And that biscuit company lost interest in him any longer. Of course, Ashwin came back strongly and now he has established himself as an all-rounder by playing constantly. And in Australia and India, he had proved that he is a good batsman, reliable batsman and a number 1 bowler for India. Chennai Test, he scored a century and captured 8 wickets in 2 innings. Now let us go back to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He was a very astute captain, a very good wicket keeper and an attacking batsman who had finished many matches for India on his own. But suddenly there was a dip in his batting average. What happened? There was an advertisement for Boost. Boost the secret of my energy. What happened there? The title was very good. Yes, but Dhoni used to get out to youngsters bowling at him. And before every series and during the series, that advertisement will be shown on television. 10 times, 20 times, on all the channels. So what happens? When people watch him on a TV, this image of Dhoni getting bowled by youngsters will come in their mind. That unconscious collective used to affect Dhoni's unconscious mind, and his batting prowess became suspect. He was scoring well, but he was getting out. And after some time, the Boost company started promoting Virat Kohli, the new captain. Again, what is there? The same thing. The youngster will ask Kohli, I want your wicket. And he will get it. So this visual, this video of Kohli being clean bowled by a teenager will be splashed all over the TV channels. In every TV channel you will be seeing it again and again and again. So when Kohli comes to bat and we are watching on TV, the image of Kohli getting bowled by a teenager will come into our mind, and that will affect his unconscious mind, and he used to get out cheaply. That happened in Australia, it happened during the World Cup, and this is happening in India too. In the first innings in Chennai Test, Virat Kohli was clean bowled by Moeen Ali for a duck. So, the unconscious mind is affecting his batting. So, this is only a theory. You can think over it and come to your own conclusion. I cannot say this advertisement is bad, I cannot say anything. But I want you to think over. Soon I will come back with another story of two persons whose unconscious mind determined their career. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, You, Me and God. Thank you. Goodbye.